Well, I have a Fisher and Paykel washer bought back in 2005, and I've been having problems with it since late 2010. So I called Sears, who sold us this Fisher and Paykel washer, and they sent over somebody and they diagnosed it. There's a loud screeching noise in two different cycles, actually. When you initially turn it on, and there's a kind of an overflow, there's water coming out in this area here, and then the next cycle there's like a waterfall effect coming out here, and there's a loud screech for a little while, and then after that, in the rinse cycle, and I'll show you in a second, but in the rinse cycle right about there, it comes back on. They diagnosed it as being a diverter valve. That's the old one. It was on back order for 4 months, and from what I understood was that the more you use it, the more the screeching, it could blow the board. That's what I read online, but nobody could really diagnose it as being the diverter valve. But anyway, the Sears guy did. 4 months later, I get the part, replaced it yesterday, and here's the noise again. Anyway, I think you get the idea. So if anybody knows what that is, because it's obviously not the diverter valve, I would really appreciate it, because now I have to try to get my money back, my $230 or $240 for the part and service call back from Sears that they misdiagnosed. So I'd appreciate any kind of feedback that you might have. Thanks.